Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make these invisible paper clips. They're very simple and easy to make. But first, I found these. I was going to show y'all I made them. What they are is you can buy stamps, punches of different sizes that are of the same thing. Like these 4 sizes of little hearts. You cut them out and just glue them one on top of the other as they gradually go down in size. I like to use 2 or 3 different colors when I do them and put 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 on top of each other. They just look so cute, and then you can just clip them into journals, glue them onto the pages, glue them onto the front of things like these little hidden paper clips, glue it on there. But anyway, let me show you how, and I got a whole bunch of these. Aren't they just the cutest things? It's so simple. You could use moons, stars, hearts. Wait, I sound like that Lucky Charms commercial from when I was a kid. Hearts and stars. But anyway, you can make them out of anything you have, even just circles, graduated circles or rectangles to make tags. It's just so simple. I didn't want to make a video on how to do that because you just glue one graduated size onto the other. But anyway, what I do want to show you is these paper clips. See, you can't see the paper clip, but there's a paper clip in there. And you can use it to put on a page to hold something in. Like we use paper clips all the time, say to hold an envelope in. But then they have this cute thing sticking down instead of just a regular metal paper clip. They do have all kinds of cute paper clips, like on Amazon. And they're adorable. Like they have kitty cats and airplanes. And they have every kind of one that you can imagine. But anyway, you just get some rectangles. Like they can be any size, but I found these in my strip drawer, so I thought they would be cute to use. I think I'll use this green one, this purple one, and this red one, and then this green one, and another color, orange one, and then the pink and brown. I'll make those 3. Anyway, so this is how you're going to do it. Get your 2 rectangles. They have to be the same size. One of these is a little longer, so I'm fixing to cut it off. There, they need to be the same size, and then you're going to fold them. And so one part is going to be in the center, and you're not going to see it. So I don't want the brown to be shown, but I do want this beautiful magenta to be shown. So you need to find the center of it and fold it. I hope y'all can't see me. I am ugly today. Like that. So then you're going to take the inside out. Now this is the messy part. Here's the outside. I'm going to leave it there. You're going to take the inside out and open it up. No, keep it closed. And just put a paper clip on it. So this inside has a paper clip on it, and you want to make sure that paper clip is pushed down as close and as tight as you can get it. So your paper clip is on both sides. The opening is at the bottom. And then you're going to get your glue and quickly, just go around it like that because glue will start falling. And do not get close to the edge. Then you're going to get this and put it over it. And then smash it down, especially around that paper clip. Cut off the edge because there will be a little bit sticking out when you get done. Because of the glue, because you have to squish it so much. Okay, now when you set it out to dry, you're going to find the center and open it a little. Slide your fingers down the side. Make sure there's no glue in there. And leave it like open a little. Let it dry completely. After you get through squishing it, getting the glue off. So much glue. And then find the opening and just slide your nail around in there. Make sure there's no glue holding it together. Try to leave it open a little bit as you can in the center. Like this. With those two sides. I like to go like that. And then after it's dry, of course, it's going to be wonky like this one. So what I'm going to do is set this one out under some heavy books tonight. And then tomorrow it'll be closed just fine. Anyway, you just don't want it to get glued together in the center. That's why I take such time and care with making sure that there's no glue holding the center together. And then tomorrow, after it's dried, I will decorate it with washi tape, or I could glue one of these little flowers onto it, or stamp it, or put glitter glue around it, put a thing of ribbon on it, just however you want to make your hidden paper clip look. And it is totally hidden too. See, you can't see that paper clip, but look how good it works. I'm going to paper clip my other paper clip. Ta-da! It's on there. Won't come off. They're just so cute. It's so easy to make. Let me make another one real fast. Okay, make them the same size. Most things that you find in your strip drawer are not exactly the same size. If you started your strip drawer, if you haven't, I encourage you to, because things like this, and you can use strip drawers for so much. I think I want the purple on the outside, so I'm just going to smash it. And I'm trying to do a couple of quick videos today because it's a nice day outside in Texas. And, oops, I forgot to put the paper clip on. Me and my little doggy are going to go walking and exploring the neighborhood. Really quickly, do the top and the bottom. And do not get close to the edge, whatever you do. And then slip the outside on. And you do want to make these out of cardstock. I've made them out of paper before, and they're just so thin. They just are not right made out of paper. Oh, a bunch of glue came out of the side of that one. I'm really going to have to put my fingernail in there in that one. Okay, smash them down real good. Trim it up. There, that looks beautiful. Smash, 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 smash. And then make sure it's not stuck together. Ta-da! Ready to dry. Tomorrow I'll decorate. I appreciate y'all watching my video. Be sure to like and share for a chance to win a journal of your choice. When we're done making these videos, I'm going to lay all of my journals out. All of them. Even the ones on Etsy, all the ones I've made and I haven't put on Etsy yet. The ones I'm working on now, all of them. Every journal I have, I'm going to lay them out. And the winner or winners are going to get to choose whichever journal they want. Anyway, so be sure to like and share for that chance. I love all y'all. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.